Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome to KICKnology. I'm your boy Truth, and I appreciate you guys stopping by for another unboxing, another review, and another on feet. If this is your first time tapping into my channel, hey, y'all already know what. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. You could be anywhere else, but you are right here to check out this channel, so I appreciate you guys. If you want to do your boy a big favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Hit the like button. It helps the channel grow. Get my video out to more viewers, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime you drop any videos. Head over to IG, follow your boy on IG. I know I'm asking you guys to do a lot of things in your first time here, but all that being out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing.
No synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know what you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the root for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.
Alright, so today for you guys, I will be unboxing another Yeezy. It seems like my last couple of videos been Yeezys. They ain't been doing too great numbers, man. But you know what? I'm going to put them out there anyway for the people that want to see them. And you're still on the fence about them. And you're still on the fence about purchasing these sneakers. Now, this is another 700. I told you guys that I was going to be all over the 700s. It is a reach back. So this one did drop prior to the one that I did. If you guys haven't seen my review in on feet of the 700 in flames, man, the link will be somewhere on the screen right now. Make sure y'all go ahead and check that out. But today we will be unboxing and reviewing the Yeezy 700 in the bright blue colorway, man. Smurf blue, military blue, nurses blue, whatever you want to call it, man. Very dope sneaker in my opinion. But let's go ahead and get off into this box. As you guys can see right here, we have your standard 700 box. We have the label right here, Yeezy 700, and it says Yeezy Boost 700. The color is blue, blue, and blue. You feel what I'm saying? It's always weird on that. Anyway, standard paper on there. So the box is going ahead and go over there. Y'all see it, man. This is the Yeezy 700 bright blue, man. Very dope shoe. So just go ahead and do it. I'm going to show you guys. The difference between the two is going to be the oranges. The oranges are a little bit different. This one is more like the orange on the Suns, and then this one is a little bit more darker than the one that you see right here. But besides that, man, two totally different shoes. Even the toe boxes are different. I know a lot of people are saying it's the same thing. Why are they doing this orange? But they are not the same shoes by any means. So we're going to go ahead and throw the In Flames over here. And now we're going to get back into this bright blue. So let's get up close and personal with these things. As you guys can see right here, we do have the standard 700 outsole. And then on the back end of it, we have this blue suede, very, very good suede. The 3M holes as well. We have that bright blue colorway. As we go on the inside of the shoe, we have the black suede with the hints of the 3M eyelets right there. We have the 3 stripes behind the blue netting. We have the black suede that continues on around with the hint of the green. And then you have that wave runner type toe box with this like bright blue colorway. It's like a suede right there as well. Really good material, very good dad shoe. This one came with white laces. I would love to see it swapped out with some different laces. We have the blue inner sole of the shoe, sock liner, and then on the bottom we do have that boost. Like I said in my last video, for some reason people think that these shoes do not come with boost. Not sure where that came from, but you do have that orange, and then you do have that brownish color outsole. You feel what I'm saying? So the other shoe looks exactly the same. As you guys can see right here, this is the right one. Really no difference in the two. The exact same shoes. Man, y'all let me know down below, how do y'all feel about these things? Which one do y'all like better? Let me know down in the comment section below. Are we rocking with the bright blues, or are we rocking with the In Flames? Y'all let me know down below in the comment section how you guys are thinking about resale and picking these things up right now. Right now, these shoes are currently sitting at right around $394, but depending on the size, you can always get them for a little bit cheaper. So you know what I'm saying, they're not the wave runner price by any means, but you are going to pay a little bit more money for them. It ain't the price of the Suns, but like I said, man, if this is something that you really want and that's the price range, right now would be the perfect time to pick them up, because I do feel like that these sneakers will go up in price as time goes on. So don't be looking back like, man, nobody told me, because I'm telling you guys right now, this will be the thing that you pick up. I appreciate you guys tuning in as always, man. Y'all have no idea. I do this jump for you guys. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man. And remember, these shoes behind me, this shoe right here, man, they're just bait. A way for me to share my faith. You guys enjoy this on feet. I'm going to catch y'all in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.
More clean, you smell no soap. God smile on the meantime, no joke in the front of the neighborhood. I don't sell no dope. Brother more high, you don't smell no smoke. Brother more clean, you don't smell no soap. God smile on the meantime, no joke in the front of the neighborhood. I don't sell no dope. Brother more high, you don't smell no smoke. Brother more clean, you don't smell no soap. God smile on me, tell no joke. God's great for the brother that trying to get clean. Know that I'm alive, but it feel like a dream. Tell them I am when they tell me I ain't. Battle with sin, so I know that I'm a saint. Tell me I'm alive, what lie I told. Put me in the fire, came out like gold. Cows go to hell, man, and I don't wanna go. Better know the enemy plotting on your soul. Put me in the hood and I learned how to thug. Put me in the church and I learned how to love. Hit me with the word, I was like, oh yeah. I ain't never heard nothing like that there. Playing on the curb, I was